Now I'm gonna be completely honest. The only way to make money as a teenager is to do. As a teenager, I was pretty obsessed with making money. Okay, I still am. As it turns out, there are actually quite a few different ways for teens to make money. In this video, I'm going to show 5 legit ways to make money as a teenager without a job or with a job. You can decide for yourself which route is better for you. I'm going to show you side hustles and online money making opportunities. So whether you are 13, 14 or 18 or even 30 years old, you can take advantage of the money making methods that I'm going to talk about. Which of the money making ways you have tried and succeeded? Let me know in the comments below. I am Sania here and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, then please do subscribe to my channel where I teach you how to make money online in an easy way. So if you are thinking about subscribing, then just do it because it's free and you can always unsubscribe if you decide to hate me. Many people lost their job because of the COVID-19 and now they are checking how to make money online. If you are serious about making money in your teens, then you need to understand that everything takes time. The first year of this whole experience is going to be hard. You're going to be working below minimum wage. You're going to be tired most of the time. Maybe you want to quit. But I want you to stay firm and believe in yourself and your process. So guys, without further delay, let's go to the first legit way to make money as a teenager is to start your own podcast. Yes, some of the top podcasters right now are making over $1 million per year by running ads on their podcast. The reason why this can be really interesting is because there is not many podcasters out there, and also you can get a chance to really establish a pretty deep connection with your listeners through a podcast. Imagine you're talking to that person, you are in their ears with their headphones on, talking to them for an hour, and how much impact that could have. If you had millions of listeners and millions of downloads every month, it can really add up and you can not only gain some influence and help some people, but you can also make some money by running ads because those people will trust you when you are running those ads. That's why you get really high ad rates with podcast, because the people trust you and the people who's talking to you in the podcast. So this is something you could do at any age. So this is the best way to build a trust and also build a communication with your listeners. Okay guys, so the next second legit way to make money as a teenager is from the TikTok account. Yes, TikTok guys. TikTok is an Android and iOS social media video application that is used to create and share short videos of lip syncing, comedy, and talent. TikTok is currently the most downloaded iPhone application in the world and it exceeds 500 million monthly users. So, how do you do that? Step 1 would be to think of making an exceptional profile, something that will be invited and seriously loved by the crowd. Simply recall a certain thing. Your content is a thing that will get all of your fans. So you have to create that kind of account. Step 2 would be to start making creative videos that attract more and more audience on your profile. Try to make videos on catchy songs and themes that are on like trending list. Step 3 would be by consistently making new videos on trending topics on your followers. So that's why your followers will increase. You can be famous fast if you already have any kind of skill, talent like playing guitar, dancing, painting or singing, whatever it is. So once you have that videos and you have followers, then you can approach brands and advertisers that may benefit from you as an influencer and offer them a sponsorship post at a cheaper price. Try to increase your portfolio of sponsorship clients to make you a trustworthy influencer. So you can go step by step and slowly. There's also a gift thing on TikTok where each gift is worth a certain number of coins. Users have to purchase these coins with real money. They then use these coins to purchase gifts to give to their TikTok fans or like whatever who they love. The gifts you receive can be converted into diamonds, which can convert it into cash. You can do this by this method, like you can make very good videos, and when people get happy, they can give you these coins, and this is the second way you can earn apart from sponsorships and the advertisement. Guys, here I want to add one more thing, that you can also work as a TikTok consultant to help creators blow up their TikTok accounts. Yes, you can help them to manage their accounts, and as a result, they will pay you for your services. You can sell your TikTok services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Facebook groups. So there's a lot of ways you can do that, by like 3 ways I already told you. So you can try one of these and see how it goes. Now let's talk about the third one, and that is through trading online. It is a lot more technical than e-com and a bigger learning curve though, but if you have interest in this, then it's worth it. The most important information about trading reality is that it's like you have to withheld by promoters. As a result, the act of trading becomes more of a goal than making money. You only hear stuff like, oh, you can start to trade with $10 and end up with $1,000. Such a beautiful lie. I have seen it only once. It was a woman whose name I forgot. She traded like classic options on IQ option. She ended up with 9,000% profit. How she got that? I don't know. I do know that this is the only time I have ever seen such a trading miracle. Don't count on making $1,000 with just $10 in the blink of an eye. That is a 10,000% profit. It will never happen. Understand that trading is a real business. Trading usually takes less than 2 hours per day, much less sometimes. But the preparation, that is a different question. You are going to need an investment plan, the whole package with total capital, percentage invested, expected profit, and these kind of things. Preparing what happens before the trade, after a win and after a loss is of paramount importance. You cannot succeed without it. You can learn how to trade on your own. This one here is the most difficult road of all. That is why it is the most advertised and advised by the promoters. Take time to test everything before jumping in for real. But properly using this road can take years. You get lessons from a trading mentor. This is a good way to do this. If you are like head over heels about trading yourself, a good mentor should teach you how to make money from trading. I'm not talking about having proper trading strategies. I'm just talking about like getting into the zone or as close as you can get. You buy trading signals or replicate them. Before you get into trading, understand that you can get into trading to make money or to trade. The results of each will depend on how patient you are. Do you need a strategy source of income now? Then go for signals. Do you need to develop a skill that will give you money in the future? Then learn to trade with or without a mentor. Guys, if you're liking this video, then consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so that every time I upload an amazing video like this, you can watch it first. On number 4, we have YouTube. So there are 2 ways you can earn money from YouTube. One is by giving editing services and the other one is having your own channel. Many YouTube creators are very busy in creating videos that they need extra support in editing their videos, and that is when you come in handy. You can offer like video editing services or thumbnails and listing optimization. These all services can be a great way to learn money in your teens. And don't worry if you don't know how to edit videos. You can watch some videos on YouTube or take a short course and you will learn it. Just practice on some videos and you will be good to go. You can search on YouTube for channels that do not have like good edited videos, thumbnails and listing, and you can contact them as the email address is mostly given in the about section. So you can go there and just let them know that you give these services, and they will definitely contact you. Next, you can earn money online by starting your own channel like this. There are many niches you can go into, but the most profitable ones are tech videos, gaming, product reviews, vlogs, food and fashion. You can always go to trending videos and see the topics people are watching and interested in. It is recommended that you upload your own videos, and it does not matter that you show your face or not. You can make videos with animations or image compilation videos. Moreover, you can re-upload Creative Commons licensed videos. It provides a standard way for content creators to grant someone else permission to use their work. YouTube allows creators to mark their videos with a Creative Commons label, and then creators can use that on their channel. So in this way, you can use videos, and once you start earning from your channel, you can hire people to make videos for you and edit them. Okay, the last one is through the Instagram. Yay, the Instagram. As we all know that Instagram is a money-making machine, but only if you know how to take advantage of it. First, you need to create a simple Instagram account, and it doesn't matter if you make it a creator account or a business. You can always convert it later. Decide a niche for your theme page on Insta, have a professional username and bio. Then you start building it up. At first, before you start follow-unfollow process, make sure that you have 9 attractive photos on your feed related to your niche. If you don't have one, just go to explore page and find the most viral ones which got more likes and comments and repost that. Make sure to give credit to the original account in your post and also use their hashtags and post it. Then make sure to post every day 2 times for 90 days. Also follow every day like 100 people and not more than that. Once you start doing this, your account will begin to grow and you see your followers and engagement increase. Make sure to DM your new followers and introduce your page and become friends with them. This is a very good strategy for your page engagement, and it will increase that ratio. Once you reach 5K followers, you can start asking for sponsored posts. You can DM big accounts and tell them if they need to advertise on your account. You can start from like $50 and go up to $500. It depends on your followers and the engagement on your page. Also make sure that keep your sponsored posts to 2 per week, as it make your followers very annoying and they might consider to unfollow if you increase more than 2 per week. So 2 per week is great. You can also put a link of your Amazon affiliate or drop shipping store to sell an extra income online. It can be a great way to start earning from another source from your Insta theme page. However, guys, a lot of teens I know make money online by selling Instagram theme pages. They grow their accounts to 5K or 10K or even larger and then sell for good price. This is also a great way to earn money through Instagram theme pages. Mostly people ask me how you can get money if you don't have PayPal. I'm only 15, I can't accept the payment, and when I advertise, so what I should do? First thing is that you can use Amazon gift card if you don't have a PayPal yet. Moreover, you can ask your parents or relatives to help you open a PayPal account on their name, and you can use that, but make sure to have someone who you trust and rely on, so you can make that account on their name. There are so many ways to make money as a teenager. Some of these jobs might not sound appealing and don't make a lot of money overnight, but they teach you lasting lessons about focus, determination, and wealth management. Use what you have to your advantage. Use the benefits of the internet and social media to get your name and skill out there and invest wisely. So, guys, try anything. So, what are you waiting for? Get to it. But wait, what's the hard part? Taking action and actually making money as a teenager. So, here's what I recommend you to do. Pick a hustle on this list and start at number 1 and try it out. If you don't like it, come back to the list and move to the next hustle. Keep going until you find something you enjoy and you are good at. You have got your entire life ahead of you, so you have time to test out different things. Doing these will give you an idea of what you might want to do for the rest of your life. Plus, you may really enjoy something on this list that you thought you would have hated. or you may be really good at something you thought but you have sucked at. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, as it means a lot to me, more than you can imagine. So if you want to learn more on how to make money online, then check out this video here. I will tell you exactly how to stay ahead of the curve starting today. So go now and watch the amazing new video here.